This position comes from one of the best chess books that you can own. So what would you do in this position? As white, you can pause the video. I'm just going to keep talking, don't matter. So in this position then, white, you might have looked at the pattern or the back rank pattern that springs to mind immediately. Either queen takes b3 or queen b7. It's the same pattern, it's the same idea. With if queen takes, then back rank, checkmate, right? The problem with that is black has this nice defensive idea of just dropping the rook back to e8. So it doesn't work in this position, right? So you can't do that, and you can't play queen b7 for the same reason. So the correct move is actually rook d7. Rook d7, what that does is, obviously we're on here, threatening mate in 2, and black can defend that, perfectly legitimately defend that by playing either this rook back, because the bishop is then protecting f7, or this rook to f8. And in this position then, for example, if black does do one of those things, then we just have to move the rook, right, from anywhere, basically, away from the bishop. And white's in a slightly better position. But what white is actually doing in this position is also setting up a bit of a trap, right? Because rook f6 is playable. For black, it looks playable. But then, of course, we've got this pattern idea. And the f6 rook can't cover the back rank. So this is from an absolutely fantastic chess book. And I'm going to show you one more position before I do the big reveal on the book. Or can you guess what it is? So this position from the very same page, 2 totally random positions. This is how good the book is. So what you do in this position is black to play. White is threatening just simply to promote the pawn with check, soon to be checkmate, right? So black's move, what's black going to do? Checks here, but the queen covers that square. This doesn't work either. This just sacks for no reason. We have rook check, takes, check, and then we can draw in this position. Right, so we have drawing patterns. Right, if the king tries to move away, we can also draw like this. But can black do better? So after rook f1 check, rook takes forced, we do not promote immediately. What do we do instead? Well done if you found this move, an absolutely stunner. Queen check, queen h2 check, and then under promotion tactic, right, and we pick up the queen. And we win, because we're going to pick up these pawns. So another fantastic position from this amazing chess book, which is, do you know it? Of course, it is the Lev Albert Training Pocket Book. There we go, the Chess Training Pocket Book, 300 Positions by Lev Albert, one of the best chess books you can get for your money. 300. Go and buy it if you haven't already, you will not regret it.